All right, guys, look what we got here. A 392 Challenger. 392, it's not a Hellcat, but it's a beauty. We're taking her into the dyno now. Yellow jacket. This thing is sweet. Look at the appearance of this car. Love the graphics, man. Oh, look at that. What's not to like? You're a Mustang guy, Camaro guy, Mopar guy. Really, what's not to like about a car like this? The graphics are perfect. The lines of this car are spot on. You just gotta love it. 392, big cubic inches, push rod motor, lots of torque. We're gonna get this thing rolling on the dyno and see what she could do. We're gonna catch up with the owner and see what kind of mods have been done to this car. But look at her, man. That is one bad ride. All right, guys, I got the owners with me. And what's your name, bud? Chris, tell us about your car. She's a beauty.
Yeah, it's actually her car. It's a 2012 Yellow Jacket Edition, and it's completely bone stock.
Wow. And how do you like the car? Tell us your feeling about it.
I love the car. And it's the Yellow Jacket. It's a 1 year only. 2012, they only made 1,300 of them.
No kidding.
They've never made the color again.
So you got one of 1,300 for 1 year. Well, that's incredible. I've never seen one. I really like it. And so it's stock. What kind of numbers are you expecting on the dyno?
I'm thinking somewhere around
380, 390?
Yeah.
Maybe we get a little lucky. We'll hit that 400 mark. What do you think?
I'm hoping, but I'm not.
Okay.
These are just my baseline numbers, so I'm going to start modifying.
Okay.
What I'm going for.
All right, we're hoping for 390 out of this Yellow Jacket car. Let's watch it roll. All right, guys, we're hoping for 390 horsepower. That's what the owners were telling me. Let's take a look. I think we got it. .404 horsepower to the rear wheels corrected on a Mustang dyno. Okay? We exceeded the 390, and it actually, on a dyno jet, would produce more than that. We know that from this dyno. She runs a little low. See what she does on the second floor. Yeah, these big 6.4s, you can hear the torque on the dyno. Let's see how we did. Appears to be about the same. $404.9. Well, it exceeded the owner's expectations. How you guys doing? You happy about that?
Oh, yeah. Most definitely.
Absolutely.
It's consistent, too. Look at that. Two numbers.
And on a Mustang dyno, these numbers are low. If this was on a dyno jet, you'd see even more than that. Pretty good for stock is right. And you gotta love this Yellow Jacket. This is one of 1,300 for 1 year. What year was it? 2012. One of 1,300 for 2012. The Yellow Jacket Challenger, man. 392 Challenger. Beautiful ride. You gotta love it. You know, when this thing ran on the dyno, you could just hear it that it was strong off the bottom. Coyotes don't run like that. Coyotes have to rev up. These ones make tons of power off the bottom. Really nice looking car, man. Well, there you have it, guys. Over 400 horse to the rear wheels out of a 2012 Yellow Jacket Edition 392 Challenger. The car was beautiful, you know, no matter what car you like. I mean, I happen to like Mustangs. You know, if you like Camaros or whatever the case may be, you gotta like that Yellow Jacket. So kudos to the owner. It's a really great car. So we're going to close out the video with another Challenger that I videoed back about a year ago. This one's got a 426 stroker in it, Titec heads, big cam, 2.9 Whipple, and a bunch of other goodies. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, everybody, we're finally going to get this car on the dyno. I've been waiting over a year to get this. Listen to this thing, man. This, I believe, is a 412 or something like that stroker. Listen to that. All right, we'll just get a quick look at the motor. You can see the big Whipple. You can see he's still got the stock throttle body, so he's probably limited a little bit there. Really pulley down on this thing, long tubes. Like I say, Titec heads, big Whipple, long tubes. This thing should make some torque, and we should see good horsepower out of it. We set the RPM to 6,200. Look at the power spike on that thing. Wow, 623. Lots of torque. Look at how much torque. That's about 700 to the wheel, guys. I picked up another 10 horsepower. That's about, I don't know, I would say about 725. Big torque numbers though out of this thing. Look at that. Nice power.